Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to XIAOMI Redmi A1. Begin by opening Play Store on both and installing free app called Send Anywhere. When your app is ready, open it. Now, in order to operate the net, you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then choose Not Now if you wish to in this pop-up and close it by tapping on OK. Following that, just do exactly the same on XIAOMI. I accept, confirm, continue, allow. OK. Now you can finally choose Send at the bottom left corner of your Android if it's not already on, and tap on Receive over here on XIAOMI smartphone. Then you can click on all of those type of dots from all of those categories in order to select them, and then hit Send over here. It will take a lot of time though, so I will go with only this one photo. Choose Send and tap on Got it. Now on XIAOMI, just click on one of those options, tap on Close this window and select one of those connection ways. You can scan this QR code using this scanning icon, clicking on while using the app or only this time in the pop-up, and pointing your XIAOMI's camera at the code. But you can also input this key over here instead and click on Receive. Either way, after a while, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!